If you've ever wondered what $135 a night gets you at a beachfront hotel, you are in the right place. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Filipina. You can call me Pina, and thank you so very much for coming. If you're a first timer, hey you, thanks for coming. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, all those good stuff we love to do here. And if you are a returnee, you know I love you. Thanks so much for coming back and for subscribing and liking and sharing and commenting and all that. Thank you. So today I'm coming your way from Lagoon Beach Hotel and Spa Hotel in Cape Town, South Africa. And so far so good. I love what I'm seeing. Of course, I'm going to let you see all of that. So come along, Tafai. Let's go tour Lagoon Beach Resorts and Spa. Tafai. All right, let's talk first impressions. So we got to the hotel a bit early. You know how it is when you're too excited to start your holiday. But the staff were amazing. They took our luggage, handed us the Wi-Fi password, pointed us to the pool to chill. They also showed us the reception area where we could sit and then, have a good time. Now, the reception area is huge. Like, you could run laps around it if you wanted to. So many cozy seating areas, perfect for people watching if that's your thing, or just pretending to read while you sip on some drinks. And the check-in, smooth as butter. 10 over 10 for vibes. Oh, and the hotel is super easy to find. It's right along the R27, just a 20 minutes Uber drive from the city center. I came from the Works One apartments, and the drive along the coast was stunning. If you're a fan of dramatic mountain views and ocean breezes, you will really love the drive. It was time to head up to our room. So I booked the partial sea-facing king room for $110 a night back in December last year. But the price is now around $135, which honestly is still a steal. If you want the full sea-facing king room with those uninterrupted ocean views, you're looking at about $182 per night, breakfast included. Mine did not include breakfast. First thing you see when you walk into the room is the bathroom on your right. And let me tell you, it's huge. We are talking designated areas for everything. Enclosed WC, separate shower, a bath by a massive mirror, perfect for all those bath bomb plus wine Instagram stories, and enough space to dance if you are that kind of person. Well, I see a mirror and the next thing I'm dancing. The bathroom essentials were also on point: shampoo, shower gel, conditioner, all of it. They were all neatly laid out, which is always a nice touch. You also get a coffee area with all the amenities, right? So you have your water, you have your tea, your coffee, your milk, your sugar, you have a kettle, and you have a fridge for all the nice things you'd want to cool. The room itself is massive. You got a king-sized bed that's basically whispers, "Come take a nap." A large wardrobe for all the outfits you promised yourself you'd wear, but probably won't. And not one, but two sitting areas. One with a lamp and comfy chair, and another with a desk, chair, and mirror for those getting ready for dinner moments. And the view, impeccable. You've got a wide glass window with partial ocean views. So right from your room, you can see the Atlantic Ocean and the Table Mountains in the distance. Perfect for morning coffee or a cheeky sunset glass of wine. So far, what do you think? Do you think this hotel and this room is worth the $135 a night? Let me know in the comment section. But there's more to come, so come along. Now let's talk amenities and hotel facilities. I quickly showered, changed, and then started looking around. The Lagoon Beach Hotel isn't just about the rooms. The facilities are next level. I mean, look around. This is what you get. Everywhere just looked stunning, beautiful artwork. The entire place was just beautiful. And now they've got two pools, one downstairs that's perfect for a quick dip, and a more private one upstairs by the spa and gym. The lower pool has this infinity vibe where it looks like it's blending right into the ocean. Perfect for those cinematic floating in paradise shots you see on Instagram. And the upstairs one is by the spa and the gym for a more private time. The gym. It's not just a box room with a few dumbbells. It's a fully equipped gym. And I mean, it has glass walls for that working out with a vibe view. You can literally be on the treadmill and be looking out the glass window, which almost makes exercising bearable. The icing on the cake is the Camelot Spa. It's just divine. I'm saving the full spa experience for my next video, so make sure you're subscribed because you don't want to miss it. Now, if you're a business traveler or planning a company retreat, Lagoon Beach Hotel has you covered. They offer both small and medium-sized conference rooms that overlook the Atlantic Ocean. Because if you're going to be in a meeting, it might as well come with a view, right? These spaces are perfect for corporate events, team building retreats, or even private celebrations. Imagine discussing your next big business move with the ocean waves crashing in the background. Talk about inspiration. Of course, the real star of the show is the beach. You've got direct access from the hotel. Just a few steps and you're on this long sandy stretch with views of the Table Mountains and Robin Island. I loved just watching the surfers do their thing. And the sunsets, oh my god, unreal. The sun sets right between the mountains, creating that perfect golden glow that makes you want to quit your job and become a beach bum. You can also try finding shells and doing all those lovely beach stuff. Just a heads up, though, the beach is open to the public, so it can get a bit busy. And watch your stuff. Ocean breezes and sneaky seagulls are a dangerous combo, so just watch your stuff. On to the food. Every meal we had here was delicious. The food was fresh, flavorful, and served with a side of ocean views. What more could you want? There are two restaurants on site, a more formal one and an informal one. Both do have views of the ocean. However, the informal one also has the pool view, the downstairs pool view, which is so cute. Their food was also affordable, which to me is a huge plus. Overall, I'd give Lagoon Beach Hotel a solid 9 out of 10. The views, the service, the room, it all felt like a steal for the price. Would I stay here again? Absolutely. Just book me a flight and I'm there. What do you think? Is the price worth it from what you've seen? Let me know in the comment section if you think the price was worth it. Also, let me know if you've stayed at the Lagoon Beach Hotel before and what you thought of it. Thank you for watching this video and sticking and staying to the end. I appreciate you. I hope you enjoyed the video and you learned a thing or two. Thank you so much for subscribing, sharing, commenting, and liking our videos. We really appreciate you. Look out for our next episode in the South African series. Fairly certain is going to be a spa day. We're going to check out the spa and use the facility, and then I'll let you know how it goes. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. As always, stay curious, stay adventurous. Love, Pina. Bye.